Hello, I'm going to show you my mini fridge. Here's a sunflower, an avocado, a blue heart. I think this is a sparkly magnet. And this is a swan. And this is a strawberry. I'm going to show you what's inside. But first, and then I'll show you the pot. Here's the pot where I put my pencil. And then I'll show you the bigger pot. This is the sticky tape, which you can open. See? Sticky tape. And this looks like a snow cone maker because it has eyes and it can do all of it. I'll show you about this one. Looks like a normal popsicle. This one is an eraser and a pencil.